So see, from here just you have to draw the shape like this, and then draw the shape like this. Okay, then make it U shape here. Okay, and now what you have to do, from here just draw it like this, and make it double. Okay, double. Then from here just draw the curve line. Okay, draw the curve line, and then just touch it. Then from here make a round shape, and then a straight line from here and a straight line from here. Okay, and now what you have to do, just you have to take your eraser and make the drawing light. Okay, we have to make the drawing lighter. So that when we will color it, it will not become black. Okay, so now first color we are going to use the light blue. Okay, it's a light blue color. And see, till here you have to use the light blue. First do the outline first, okay, with the light blue, then fill the color. Okay, and how do you have to fill? See, curve line. Okay, curve lining. Blend it. Okay, and then we will use the primary red. Okay, over here, and then we will use the orange color. Okay, orange. We will blend the red color, okay, properly. Then we are going to use deep yellow or medium yellow, anyone you can use. Okay, now I'm using deep yellow. Okay, it's a deep yellow. And then I will use the medium yellow. Just do it till here. And do in the top. And then what you have to do, just use the maroon color. Okay, I'm using here the maroon. And then after this I'm going to use the again primary red, okay, to blend the maroon and red, this much. And then I will use here some black color. Okay, I will use here black color little bit straightly, okay, thick and straight. Then I will use the brilliant blue, oh sorry, it's the Persian blue, to blend the black. Okay, we will use here again the black. We will try to use Persian blue. Okay, after Persian blue, what we will use, see, after Persian blue we will use the brilliant blue. Okay, just we will blend the Persian blue with brilliant blue like this. Okay, and now what you have to do, just we will take the red color, okay, red, and we will blend the black color like this. Okay, okay, and now see, we will take the red color and we will try to border this, okay, this side, and even this side also. Okay, then we will blend this with orange color. Okay, we will blend this with orange color, and then we'll blend this with it's a deep yellow. Okay, the deep yellow, I'm just blending it. Then I'm going to use the light blue over here. Okay, I'm using light blue, and then what I will do, just with the finger I will blend the blue color, okay, like this, and yellow color also, then it will mix here. Okay, so like this we can blend it. Okay, and now what you have to do, just I will use the first it's a medium yellow. Okay, I'm using medium yellow here, then I'm using deep yellow. Okay, it's the deep yellow over here, both the side. Then I'm going to use the orange, and then what you have to use, just we will use the red color. Okay, it's a red color, and see, now what you have to do, just I will take the medium yellow, and with the medium yellow I will draw the fire. Okay, like this, and I will put some brilliant blue over here. Okay, it's a brilliant blue. Okay, it's a fire, it's a blue flame. Okay, of the fire, blue flame. Then what you have to use, then see, we will use the orange. Okay, very thin layer of the orange like this. Okay, very thin layer. And then we can use the red color little bit, and we can blend this with again medium yellow. Okay, like this we can blend it. Okay, and now what you have to do, just we will use the black color. Okay, we will use the black color to fill this. Okay, black here, here. Okay, it's a black color, then full. Okay, just we will full from top to bottom. Okay, you will complete this. Just I'm filling the black, okay? To fill the black properly, okay? No white dot can be seen like that, okay? And try to do the edges slowly and properly, okay? No white dots can be seen, okay? Do it properly. Then what you have to do, just with the color, na, just try to blend it here, means with finger, just try to blend it over here and here. Then just take the red color, try to do the red here, over here, it's a red color. Then deep yellow, and then medium yellow, okay, in the middle. And now what you have to do, we will take the white color, okay? It's a white color, see, just make the circle with the white, okay? Proper circle, okay? Try to do proper circle. It will come very light color, okay? So don't worry about that. And then what you have to do, just with the light blue, okay, with the light blue, just do some lining, okay, over side that, okay, with the pressure, okay, just do it with pressure. Or you can use stencil to draw, okay, this circle. So like this. And see, the blue also you can draw some circles. So like this you can draw the picture, okay? It's a very easy drawing, try it.